Hi guys, so I just got this machine. It's a very beautiful machine, the Empisal creations. I had one before this, which is the Kingstar 9000A, Kingstar KS 9000A, sorry. But because of my love for machines, I just got this today. I got it on promo and I had a discount of about 100 rand. Ooh. So now I'm gonna show you what's inside, how I unboxed it. I just wanted to feel jealous a little. So these are the things I'm expecting the machine to do. The buttonhole, which is what my Kingston machine, the industrial one, did not have. It's just that one is just a straight stitch machine. And then this, I'm looking forward to using all these stitches. I think they're just beautiful stitches. It has a reverse lever. I think every machine should have this. That is normal. Well, I don't know. Then I also see this that can sew through very heavy fabrics, you see. So this is one of the reasons why I got this machine. And then one other thing I wanted to see is it has 19 different stitches. You see, they are so beautiful. These stitches are things I think that they are stitches I think that every machine ordinarily should have. And then I'd also like you to see this. These are the functions of the machine. It has a first step buttonhole, 19 built-in stitches, the oscillating hook, which is this. I'm sure you know it. Then it sews on zips. It has an adjustable stitch length, which is what my industrial machine does not have. The adjustable zigzag machine, like I said, my industrial machine just has can only do a straight stitch. This can do a zigzag stitch, a straight stitch, and it is adjustable, you see, which is so nice. Then on and off switch, definitely free ham. Yeah, you don't have to use your ham. I'm sure it has a lot of accessories too inside. I'm waiting to see the foot. I'm waiting to see the various foots, the invisible zipper suit, foot, the zigzag foot and all. And then the horizontal spool holder, just this, you see, it has a thread cutter. My industrial machine doesn't have it, so these are the functions. So now let us unbox the machine. Okay, so now I have to be very careful with this. Yeah. Ooh la la. So it comes with this. Yeah, it comes with this, so I don't have to buy this. There's the pedal. Yeah. Whoops. Ooh la la. Finding it difficult to do this. I need to be gentle. Okay. So yeah, see this, you see I can carry it. So in case I'm going for maintenance, I'm going to do some maintenance, I can carry it, This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So guys, you see, it's so portable and it's not too expensive. I think it's something everyone should have.